am making white chocolate candy cane cookies. Here are the ingredients, and you can find the recipe also in the description box below. We're gonna use half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 6 ounces of butter, 1/4 cup of shortening, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I crushed some candy canes, and we need some white chocolate morsels. On a clean bowl, I'm gonna be creaming the butter, the shortening, and the sugars, both the brown and the white. And I'm gonna cream them for about a minute, 2 minutes, until everything is well combined. Now we add the egg. You can also add the vanilla at this point. I just decided to mix the egg first, and then I added the vanilla and mix it again. It's time for the dry ingredients. I have salt, baking powder, and the flour. You can pre-mix the dry ingredients before. I just find it easier for me to do it like this. And all I have to do is mix. And the dough is gonna be kind of like dry, but it is not that dry. So all you have to do is put it all together. Fold in the white chocolate morsels. Once it's ready, we're gonna start scooping the little balls for the cookies. You don't have to put the dough in the refrigerator. You can just use it like that. So you're gonna create scoops of the dough. I'm using a 2 tablespoon size scooper, but you're gonna see that you can make smaller ones because these are they're quite big. So you press on the dough, and I'm gonna include some more morsels. These are just more like for decoration, so they look very pretty. And also I'm adding the candy cane little pieces. These are also for decoration and for the flavor of the peppermint. Now that they are ready, I'm gonna put them to bake at 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. And they're ready. And here are the smaller ones. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed them, and Merry Christmas. We'll see you next time. Bye.